Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Pandas data frames by persisting Parquet snapshots, beginner guide step by step clearly. To backup Pandas data frames by persisting Parquet snapshots, start by installing the necessary libraries. Open your terminal or command prompt. Run the command pip install pandas pyro. Next, import the required libraries in your Python script. Begin by importing pandas using import pandas as PD. If you haven't yet, create a sample data frame you want to backup. For example, use df equals pd data frame, column 1, 1, 2, 3, column 2, a, b, c. Now that you have your data frame ready, it's time to save it as a Parquet file. Select a file name and the destination where you want to save the snapshot. Use the command df.to_parquet, backup_file.parquet, to save the data frame as a Parquet file. This command will create a Parquet file named backup_file.parquet in your current working directory. To ensure the file is saved correctly, you can check your directory for the newly created Parquet file. To load your Parquet snapshot back into a data frame, use the command df_loaded equals pd read_parquet, backup_file.parquet. Now you can verify that your loaded data frame matches the original. You can do this by checking the first few rows of df_loaded using print df_loaded.head. If everything looks good, you've successfully backed up and restored your data frame. Consider implementing this process regularly to ensure your data is consistently backed up. That's it. You now know how to back up Pandas data frames using Parquet snapshots. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.